Imagine a technology so powerful it could solve problems in seconds that would take today's fastest supercomputers millennia to compute. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality of quantum computing, a market projected to reach hundreds of billions of dollars over the next decade. At the absolute epicenter of this high-stakes tech race is a volatile, high-momentum stock that has recently captured the undivided attention of Wall Street: Quantum Computing Inc., trading under the ticker QUBT. For retail investors and market spectators alike, QUBT has been nothing short of a roller coaster ride. Not long ago, fueled by intense AI hype and retail trading momentum, the stock experienced a breathtaking rally, skyrocketing past the $25 per share milestone. It was a time of pure euphoria, where investors believed they were getting in on the ground floor of the next great technological revolution. But just as quickly as gravity-defying rallies began, the harsh realities of the market tend to set in a brutal correction mirroring the downturn across the quantum sector. QUBT's stock price came crashing back down to earth, tumbling hard from its $25 peak. This painful drawdown wasn't unique to QUBT. Industry peers like IonQ, D-Wave, and Rigetti all suffered massive selling. As investors grew impatient waiting for these deeply complex tech companies to turn a profit, the fundamental issue plaguing the quanta sector has always been commercialization. For years, critics labeled quantum stocks as science experiments, companies burning through millions of dollars in cash, with very little real-world revenue to show for it. When the macroeconomic environment shifted and interest rates stayed high, Wall Street aggressively punished these pre-revenue speculative stocks, leaving many investors wondering if the quantum dream was dead. However, just when the market began to count QUBT out, the company engineered a stunning operational turnaround that is suddenly changing the entire narrative. Unlike past rallies that were driven purely by internet hype, QUBT's recent explosive price action is being fueled by something far more sustainable: real, tangible, commercial validation. The company has officially transitioned from a research and development outfit into a revenue-generating hardware supplier. The primary spark for the stock's massive resurgence is a major new commercial framework. Agreements secured with Plonk Dynamics, backed by the European defense tech firm and UNC Capital. Under this program, QUBT has locked in an initial order for 5 of its advanced neural-wave systems scheduled for delivery in 2026. Crucially, the agreement includes a clear roadmap to scale up to 100 systems, representing a total potential program value exceeding $10 million. What makes this deal so significant and QUBT's primary competitive advantage is the nature of their hardware. Major tech giants like IBM and Google build quantum systems that require extreme, incredibly expensive sub-zero cooling infrastructure to operate. QUBT utilizes an integrated photonics platform that operates completely at room temperature. This drastically lowers power consumption and infrastructure costs, making their tech uniquely viable for edge applications. This technological edge is finally showing up on the company's financial balance sheet. Thanks to strategic acquisitions of Luminar Semiconductor and QUBT, QUBT reported an astonishing jump in quarterly revenue to $3.7 million in early 2026, monumental leap from the meager $39,000 they reported just a year prior. This explosive revenue scaling proves to the market that QUBT is successfully commercializing its hardware faster than many of its larger competitors. Despite the overwhelming optimism surrounding its recent wins, investing in QUBT is not for the faint of heart. The company is still fundamentally unprofitable, posting a net loss per share of nearly 30 cents. And it trades at a very steep valuation relative to its current sales. It remains a hyper-volatile asset that can experience massive double-digit price swings in a single trading session, meaning investors must be prepared to stomach intense market turbulence. Ultimately, Quantum Computing Inc. represents a groundbreaking opportunity in the future of computing. After navigating the challenges of a sector-wide crash, QUBT's innovative room temperature, quantum hardware, and strategic commercial deals have not only rewritten its growth story, but have firmly positioned it as a leader in the race for quantum supremacy. With tangible revenue growth and a clear roadmap for expansion, QUBT is poised to reclaim its all-time highs and revolutionize the tech landscape. This is a stock that demands attention, signaling a bright future for quantum technology. Please remember, I am not a financial advisor, and this content is for informational purposes only.